F-A-T.
Spell her.
H-E-R.
Okay, what is it together?
Fat her. What?
Are you sure?
Yeah, fat her. What's so funny? I'm saying it right.
Okay, are you sure?
I don't get it.
Yes, fat her.
I get it.
Are you guys making fun of me? What?
Together.
Together. Fat
her.
and her.
Spell it.
F-A-T-H-E-R.
What does that spell?
Fat her.
Sound it out.
Fat her.
F-A-T-H-E-R. What is
Huh?
that? F-A-T-H-E-R. What is that? What word is that?
F-A-T-H-E-R?
Yeah, what is that?
Fat her. What am I fucking stupid or what?
Yes, you are.
You are.
Well, fuck you guys. I'm getting mad. I'm serious.
Spell it out together.
F-A-T-H-E-R.
What does that
Fat her. Stop. I'm getting really fucking upset. F-A-T-H-E-R. Fat her. You guys are making me mad for real.
You're turning red.
All right.
Put the words.
What? F-A-T-H-E-R. English.
What are you?
Fat her.
What are you to Isabel?
Daughter.
What?
She's my daughter.
What are you
What
to
are you
her?
to
Her
Isabel?
father.
How do you spell father?
F-A-T-H-E-R. Oh. All right. Father. Oh my God. I feel like an idiot.